Hey, it's Dude. That's the crew. There's a lot of the other crew is all around here doing stuff. As you can see, walls are out. All walls are out. It's a construction update for Team Skream Scare Maze. You could come build with us too. Here we are, crew. The beginning. I specifically wanted to come out to get this shot right here. No one around, nothing happening, just empty before anything starts. Well, not truly before anything starts. Troy and Dino were out here doing lots of work, scraping up the ground. So on the ground, it's a field, okay, crew? So there's weeds and stuff. There's little sticker dillies, so they're scraping it all, raking it up, taking weeds down. We're doing it. We're walking on the area, but who knows where? I don't know this here's layout at all. I could be standing right here where, someone right here could be going, right here in our face, crew. We don't know. Maybe some craziness over there. I believe this is going to be Fortress of something. I'm not too sure. This is so cool to be standing right here. We got some of the walls. Let's go see some of the walls. Here's the bridge that Troy built last year. Go check out some of the construction updates and you will see the progress of us building this. I said us. I didn't do anything other than just stand there and go, yeah, good job, Troy. He did a lot of the work, but who knows? I'm not sure. I mean, they left it intact, right? So you're gonna use it for something. I don't know what. Wood pieces, bracing wood dillies for the Scare Maze, along with lots of props in the back. Some scary drums with some ooze still coming out. Oh my gosh, there's some ooze still coming out. And a shark cage. I mean, this barn looks so cool. And that has nothing to do with anything that we're doing, but I mean, just look at it. It looks so cool. Are you getting tired of seeing an empty lot? I'm not. So I had a huge privilege of being able to see what it's like to first build the maze. I've always been curious, always curious. Gone to so many Halloween maze things and always just thought, how is the whole process of the Scare Maze thing, right? I've always just gotten there and it's done. It's already there, done for me. You just walk through and you go, So to help be a part of just nothing there and then building it, and then what it takes as the event's happening, man, wow. Big props to Dino, big props to Team Skream for all their hard work that they do, because even during the event itself, there's a lot of craziness happening. They did a great job last year. I'm so excited for this year. And I'm so excited again to have a huge privilege to be able to do this, to give you behind the scenes look. I mean, pretty much any look that we want. If there's gonna be any type of secrecy to this, of me not showing you anything, of like, shh, I'm not gonna show you. It's not at all because Dino said do not share, do not show. It is all because I just don't want to kill no surprise of anything. But Dino has given me full freedom to show you pretty much whatever we want, but I won't. I'm gonna keep that little secrecy and surpriseness for all of you. I know it's just us right now. Dino and rest of everyone is going to be coming out right now. I just wanted to get this shot, this exact shot of nothing happening right now. Jason recording us. There's the man. There's the legend, not the myth. He's real. He's not a myth. He's real. How's it going, Dino? Pretty good. And there's Troy, and we are. There's the rest of the group. We're gonna be taking out walls and braces and stuff.
Fun stuff.
Not too sure what goes where at the moment. right now is kind of the look for damage or quality control. Dino noticed that this daily broke, but it could have been because of the rain. Here it is, right here. Here's the moment. The first things being moved for the maze. We're watching, yep. Bum, 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 bum. We gotta grab those at the bottom. There it is. The first things for the maze, right here. This is it. Right now, just going through different stacks, trying to figure out where goes what. We have that. Unstacking the stacks.
So it begins.
I say we just get Dylan just carry all this out by himself, right? You could do it, dude. Just grab like 10 walls right there. No big deal. 40, so there you go. Dude, there you go. Just get like 10 of these. No big deal for you. Help Jason. He's stuck in there. A good amount of wood is being taken out. A few stacks.
Once they start getting closer, like this lowers, there's a bunch of 2x4s.
Dino's explaining there's different dillies that we need to grab. Everyone getting lots of walls done. I just saying, I don't remember there being this many walls, but I forgot Dino last year was building lots of walls too. There's black widows all over this dilly with black widow egg sacs. One thing I never noticed was that dilly right there. When Troy moves this out of the way, we'll get a better look. Just like Troy said, I don't care how much I missed it by, I missed it. And that's the point. Look at that. Doesn't this look amazing? All the walls are stacked. That thing's cool. Looks like some old school lights. Yeah. That thing is awesome. That thing looks pretty dope.
One of those light brights.
Yeah. Here it is. The last group of walls to be taken out, along with all the other. Well, I guess there'd be this, but I don't know if we're going to use this actually. Here we go, documenting another historic moment, and lots of moments today. Look at that, Troy doing his thing. All right, I think today is just bringing out walls. Step 1 complete, which is a pretty big deal. And it was really cool to have a good amount of people here helping. A great start to the construction. Thank you so much, Dino, Chrissy, Troy, Heather, and Team Skream for allowing me to go into their space. Because I'm just a random dude, you know, and I really appreciate them allowing me to go in there and like, hey, what's that? What's going on? What are you doing? Hi, and bugging all the time. I really appreciate that. Dino, Troy, and those others that were out there, I think a couple days, helping build rooms. I believe this week already. They already built 2 rooms. This construction update might be coming out on Saturday, I think, and on that Saturday, Dino has planned to keep building more. But I think they got 2 rooms, or a room, a hall, and part of a room. I'm not too sure, but they are moving along quick. That's very, very awesome. The quicker they get done, the more time they have to do like dress rehearsals and go through it and make sure that they got all their stuff tuned in. But I'm very excited to share these construction updates. I don't want to give out too much of any surprise of anything, because if you want to know what it's like, you have to show up. You have to check it out. If you're not from around here, of course that's much harder. Then you'll have to wait till, I believe, maybe Halloween. That's the only thing Dino asked. Just don't release the actual walkthrough of anything until Halloween day. So that's when you'll be able to check out the POV. But crew, thank you so much for hanging out with us. You hanging out with us is something you never ever have to do. If you're doing it on purpose, if you're doing it by accident, we appreciate you just the same. You're all awesome. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring. On to the next. How? Secrecy? Hold on. And